I believe most of the things in your life happens by accident. Life has been really kind that way. I'm so happy कि कहानियाँ सुनाने का मौका मिलता है मुझे. I'm just very blessed.
Okay, so welcome Laksh to Shillong.
Thank you so much.
Your ability to tell stories, decode songs, that's something that audience really loves, and I'm a particular fan of you. So first of all, I'd like to ask, how do you find the vibe in Shillong?
Well, the only one word I could think right now is chilly. It's very chilly. So we live in Mumbai. We're not used to this much of cold, you know. But I must tell you, this city is gorgeous. From roads to people to views, everything. It's just so mesmerizingly beautiful. Seriously, I'm so happy that you guys live in such a city.
So let's come to the main profession that you are in, your ability to tell stories that resonate so deeply with people. So when did you really start?
So I'll be honest, I believe most of the things in your life happens by accident. So even this was one of those things which just happened by accident. I'm a writer, I write books and novels, and one fine day somebody told me you need to be on social media to, you know, you've got to, apparently. So I just put a couple of stories up and people really loved it. It's been 1.5 years since that day, and I'm just continuously narrating stories and doing shows all over the world. So life has been really kind that way. I'm so happy कि कहानियाँ सुनाने का मौका मिलता है मुझे. I'm just very blessed.
Now coming to your ability to decode songs, because that's where I found you, and the recent one would be, not very recent, the one of Binte Dil.
जिम मॉरिसन विद ज़ीनत अमान. यही ब्रीफ दिया था संजय लीला भंसाली ने जिम सर्फ को जब वो बिन्ते दिल परफॉर्म.
Oh my goodness, now I don't look at, when I listen to the song, there's an additional info that's there in the back of my head, that's because of you. So how do you do it?
To be honest, songs is a very important part of all of our lives, right? We all believe that. There's so many people in your life which are not there now, but you just remember them by the songs. When that particular song comes up, you just thought about that particular person. So I really am into music a lot. I'm not a musician myself, but I love music. And once you actually put your head to it, you realize that the writer, the music director, the director of the video has done so much to make the experience more amplified for you. But we just don't look at it in that perspective. So I just try to put that perspective in front of the people, because once you know the different perspective of the song hits you very differently. Like you just said, right?
Yes,
Now
it
the
does.
Binte Dil is very different to
Could you
you.
tell us a bit? I mean, there are people who haven't heard.
Binte Dil?
Any other song also that works? Any simple song also works?
For simple, I would say that one particular song which I love, how it all started, was Tamasha movie song, Agar Tum Saath Ho.
तो ये इमेज देखकर आपके दिल में गाना आ रहा है. कौन सा गाना है वो? इस गाने में
That's a beautiful song where Ved and Tara are in socials, and Ved is trying to run away, and you know Tara is just pulling him up. So in that song, they've done such a beautiful work. Imtiaz Ali Saab, I just had a pleasure of interviewing him some time back. So he only told me that Ved, Ranbir Kapoor's character in that song, is wearing very beige colorish clothes because he's depicting brain, and Tara, Deepika Padukone, is wearing red color clothes because she's depicting heart.
Wow.
And now the song is sung by Alka Yagnik for the female version and Arijit Singh by the male version. And now when you listen to the entire song, it's a conversation between heart and brain.
Oh,
Where the
that's
brain...
something never hit anybody.
And once now you hear the song from this perspective, the song hits you so much harder. So yeah, Agar Tum Saath Ho, please suniyega, from this perspective, heart and mind having a conversation.
And you have also co-authored a book, The Descendants. If I have not read it yet. I apologize for it. I'll definitely get it. But I would like to know what this book is about, and what was your contribution to it?
Yeah, so this story came to us when the COVID was on, so we were all comparatively very free. This story is very interesting. Are you guys aware of Mahabharata? You must have known. So Mahabharata mein we know Arjun, right? Who was Arjun's son?
Abhimanyu.
Correct, Abhimanyu. Who was Abhimanyu's son? That's a tough question, I get it.
The thing is that it's there, but it's not there.
King Parikshit.
Okay.
And who was Parikshit's son? Janmajay. My point is that this lineage of Arjun is still alive. They're still living amongst us.
But we are not aware.
I met them. That's how it all started. That's how the story came to me. They live in UP. That's a small family of Somvanshis, farmers there. they told me that they were the lineage, they were the real descendants of
Okay.
Arjun.
So you had to go and do proper recce and have one conversation with
Yeah,
them.
I lived with them for
Lived
like
with them.
7 days to get all the information out.
Ah.
बट पूरी डिसेंडेंट्स इज़ अ फिक्शन स्टोरी, इट्स अ
Okay.
फिक्शनल नॉवल. तो हमने एक फिक्शन क्रिएट किया कि अर्जुन के वो डिसेंडेंट्स आज भी हम लोगों के बीच रहते हैं एंड दे आर बेसिकली होल्डिंग अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पोजीशन इन द कंट्री. और कहा गया है कि जैसे महाभारत ख़त्म होने के बाद पांडवों ने पूरी दुनिया पर राज किया था, बिल्कुल वैसे ही उनका खानदान एक बार सर्कल फिर से घूमेगा एंड दे विल रूल द वर्ल्ड ऑल ओवर अगैन. सो इट्स द स्टोरी ऑफ देम कॉन्करिंग द वर्ल्ड ऑल ओवर अगैन. That's the descendants.
So what are we expecting from you today? Today's performance.
From
Today's
today, Roshan Abbas sir, the father of Spoken Fest, was very clear that we're doing it in Shillong, so it has to be around Shillong. So we've
Okay.
got some really amazing Khasi folk stories for you. Some
Okay, so I
folk
think I have to
tales.
wait for it.
Please do. Some folk tales of Khasi culture, basically. Kangotan ka I am story we're going to be narrating. I'm going to be narrating there with with the point that stories are very important to all of us in the first place. So I just got a small set, 20-minute, but I hope it's going to be fun for the people listening.
I have another question for you. I had earlier asked you, I mean, I appreciate that you interview people who are not that well known but are very important. I think one was of Suraj Madham's music.
Shanti.
Yes. So we don't know him. Even recently when Dua Lipa performed in, so there Shah Rukh Khan went viral. Then we had Avijit Bhattacharya come in and say it's a musician actually you need to appreciate.
That's very
Some people know music because of the actors and not the performers
The one who's
in India. In India, that's what. So how do you find these people? Like how do you really go about finding the people who need that kind of platform?
Alright, so let me put it this way. When a movie is being made, there are like more than 200 people contributes for that entire thing. It's not just the director's job or the actress's job. There's so many creative minds behind the process to make it what it is. And it's just that we don't get to hear them because they're not too outspoken or can come out. And so I just do that. I just find those gems. जिनकी कहानी लोगों तक पहुंचना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Like as the example you said, Sandesh Chandeli ji, from songs like Piya Basanti Re, Aoge Kab Tum Sajna and Suraj Hua Madham, he's created such amazing gems. But you know the songs, but you know the person behind him. So I just try to bring that person out and show it to the public that you should know them. They are the more important ones. That's all.
So I have one last question for you. If you were to describe Shillong through a song, one song, what would it be and why?
Well, on the top of my head, because you're talking about the same song and I haven't seen sun since yesterday. So Suraj hua madham, chand dhalne laga. And here he is, the father of Spoken Fest. We're just talking about.
Sorry, I'm just trying some local food. Let him know.
So I think Suraj hua madham, chand dhalne laga, asma aaye pe galne laga. Because in that video also, it was very chilly and both of them were. So I'm trying to just accustom myself to the cold out here. Hopefully I'll get through the night.